Hello everyone, Contra Messi Gringo here. I'm gonna break down this homework for you in few different stages, but there are a few movements that's very important that you already know how to do it. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. All those movements, I have got tutorials separately for you to practice. Just send me a message and I can point you the right direction, or check my YouTube channel or our tribe community. So let's start with the half rasteira. I need to be able to do the headstand, okay? So I'm gonna start here from the ginga, step, half rasteira. Don't pass that leg over this one because I want it to be able to see what's in front of me. And when I go down, the same time I'm going down, I'm lifting the leg up to make the movement lighter. So head going towards the floor, this leg is already in the air. From here, I need to be able to just push it off and balance. If I can balance, the next stage is moving the leg up, around, here, change movement without losing my balance. Once that's okay, and this can always improve the more you practice, I suggest you put something soft. Here is soft mats, but if you're doing it straight on the floor, put like a towel or a pillow or something to get used to it, especially because you're trying to balance there. Engage your core, make sure you're warm before you do it. The next stage is the Queda de Rins. There are a few stages. You need to be able to get one where you can actually move the leg and hold on the Queda de Rins for a few seconds at least. So my suggestions for you is to go through this stage. I'm on my toes, hands here, hands flat. I just keep leaning over, head all the way to the floor, lift one leg up. If that's too easy, I move on to the next stage. Bring the other leg up. If that's too easy, that second leg goes on the floor. And note that I have my toes on the floor, my head on the floor, this hand and this hand. I need to be able to hold this. And I would practice to lift off the floor, balance, put it back down. Lift, change, move, come back. Again, these are drills. When it comes to the movement, you're not going to be doing this. But once I'm able to do this, it makes my life much easier. And it takes time to build up strength on the wrist. Don't push it too far. It might look easy when I'm doing, but I've been doing this for a long time. I build up the strength required. So just practice. Any questions, again, send me a message. The next stage is I'm gonna combine this with the Queda de Rins. So I need to be able to go from the headstand to the Queda de Rins. It's very important for me to understand the timing, and that's why it's important for me to control the legs. So from here, I'm gonna do my rasteira, lean. At the same time that I lean, I'm lifting the leg up, there. And at the same time that I'm just about to push off the leg, I'm gonna rotate the leg to the point that when it gets to this stage in center, that's when I'm gonna put my foot down. I want you to go past first, take the leg off the side to fall into the headstand. So practice this a couple of times. So I show you from the side. So from here, basically what I do, if I'm rotating my leg, as my leg go past my head, I slide my leg in so I can get to the Queda de Rins. That's why it's important to do both and practice this separately, just the slide. Because when we're doing, it's nice if you can do without pause. So as my leg go past, I slide in. I'm gonna quickly demonstrate. So from here, one, I like to be moving this leg at the same time that I'm going down. As my leg go past, that's me sliding through. From here to stand up, I bend this leg onto my toes, extend this, and then spin on my toes, either hold or just push back up. So it's very important that I know how to do all those movements separately before I move on. I hope that helped. Any questions, join our community, send me a message. I've got lots of tutorials, breakdown, and you can also train with us every week to learn those movements. Stay tuned, and I see you on the next one.